the entrance to the park. Dawson's Promontory National Park. Waterloo Bay campground, 11.9 kilometres. Off we go. Put water down there, so I'm not going to run out of water anytime soon. Pretty impressive looking tree fern there.
Yeah.
Little Waterloo Bay camp, that's where we're heading. Dropping away. Oh, take the weight off your feet. Open countryside all the way around. There's the ocean in front of us there. We're going to be turning left pretty soon. A left turn there. Little Waterloo Bay camp. 1.1k, 30 minutes away. Down onto the beach. First time today.
Sit up there.
So where we're going. Not far away now. Oh, check out the colour of the ocean through the trees there. What a colour, turquoise blue. Absolutely gorgeous. Down through the trees. Hello, fella. Hey. Oi.
Hey, watch, Mum not around.
You're not going to look round, are you? You're not scared either.
Nah, not bothered.
Behind me is the campground, and this is the view when at the edge of the campground down onto the beach. This is Little Waterloo Bay, and it's bloody magic. There's no one here. It's a perfect day. The campground's just up the beach there, and that's looking back the other way, up the other end of the beach. I should mention that Wilson's Promontory National Park, where we are, is in fact the southernmost part of the Australian mainland. That's why you get some quite, you know, variable weather down here. Lots of cloud and it's a bit cooler. There's a tent set up. Already had something to eat tonight. A chair over there. Zack's tent over there. And our log table in between. Yep. Temperature's falling now. It's starting to get pretty chilly. Day 2 begins. We're going down to Roaring Meg campground via Wilson's Promontory lighthouse. Up off the beach, the light station there is 8.6 kilometres. And we're going up that way. That's the beach we've come from down there. It'll be about 20 minutes ago, I'd say. Now we're up this high already. The water's a beautiful turquoise colour again. The pathway up this way. Can just about see the beach we've come up from through the trees there. Been climbing up pretty steadily for about an hour. Whether we're near the top, I don't know. Keep going. Just about at the top now. I don't know if you can see it in the distance between those trees, but that's the Wilson's Promontory lighthouse. Roaring Meg campground, where we're heading for now. 5.3k to go. Last look at the lighthouse. We turn inland. Really windy today. Oh, thick canopy of tree ferns through here. Oh, that was a bit of a climb again. A stream running through there. Bit more of a climb up the other side. We're here. The last section was uphill as well. Oh, we're here now. Roaring Meg campground. Gonna set up the tent now. That's Roaring Meg campground. When we're at today, and we're going to the end tomorrow after doing the southern loop. Oh yeah, there's a long drop for you. It looks like one of them Century boxes you see in London, but no, it is definitely a long drop toilet. That's it. Around this way. There's our two tents here. Zack's got the big double. There's my little baby over there. Get something to eat later on. Day 3. Started off from the campground about a quarter of an hour ago. It was pretty much a climb out of the campground. We're on a bit of flat terrain now, so I got my bloody breath back and I can actually talk. So we're heading to Telegraph Junction today, and then we'll make a turn there, and the last section we'll go over what we came in on back to the car park. So that's where we're heading today, the final day. Yeah, I do. That's another impressive looking tree fern. And down there, completely undisturbed, I would say. Can't see anyone getting down there, ever. Only wildlife. We're at the junction. That's the turn we took on the first day. A little Waterloo Bay. The last leg. One for the album. Telegraph Saddle car park. The end of the walk. All we've got to do now is wait for the bus to take us back to the car park. And that's the end of the hike. We're just waiting for the bus to take us down to where the car's parked. That's Hike and Seeker signing out. Like the video and subscribe, that'd be great. Take care and hope to see you on another video soon.